Pizza is the best. I used to think plum trees are something very, very short, have empty shelves. English is not what is made. Welcome to another exciting vlog, which I'll be taking you through the first week of summer holiday. So today, being the 22nd, I will be going out to shop. This is evening. Forget about this light. It's evening already, like almost 7 p.m. We are going out to the African store to get some meat, because the last time I went there I only got egusi and I forgot to buy meat. I want to cook some bitter leaf soup and egusi, and I've cooked okra already anyways in the freezer, but I didn't cook the egusi. I didn't cook the bitter leaf because there was no meat. I thought I had chicken, but the chicken was only enough for okra. So yeah, we are on our way going out. I will take you through the other activities. We've done some craft today. This is it. We make some little dogs, like 3 little dogs. That's our first summer activity, and the kids were so excited and I was happy about that. I didn't record because it was chaotic. I have to be watching them glue and all that. I didn't want them to mess up themselves. So yeah, that is it. Let me not talk too much. If you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button. My returning subscribers, you're welcome. So where else we're going before I start hearing noise there? Let's go to the African store, and then when we come back, I might show you what I'm cooking, or I'll just show you the next day. Everything you see, just take it. Okay, let me go and see you later. They are gone, but they forgot to lock the back door. The back door. I am the one that asked my husband to follow me to shopping. So we are back from the African store. I picked up a couple of things, and then I also stopped at in. Shall we stop in Lidl? At Lidl. I don't know the correct one. We stopped in Lidl to pick up mayonnaise and frying oil. So let me even show you what we got before the talking goes long, because if I see camera now, my brain will be telling me to speak all the time. Start with the last thing that we bought. Mayonnaise. I've already used the mayonnaise. I've used the mayonnaise already. We had that for dinner, or they had that for dinner. I didn't. And then frying oil. If you watch my video, or if you've been watching my videos, you know that I use this frying oil a lot. So we bought this frying oil. Active yeast. This yeast is so much fast action yeast. I love this and I use it like all the time. Not because of anything, but because of how active it is. It rises very fast. I bought chicken gizzard, £2.99. I have not used this, but the woman told me that this is called assorted meat. That means there are small different kinds of meat inside. Then I bought this beef. I bought this bitter collar, 4 like this for £1. This is very cheap. We bought 2 of these, which went for £16 each, because £15.99 is £16 already. That is everything actually. That is everything that took us out. We bought we bought coconut peanut, you know those ones that they cut them in flour. We bought that and we've eaten it already. And is there anything that I'm forgetting? No, yeah, so that is what took us out. I am going to be cooking this soup. I will definitely be cooking this soup tomorrow. I'll try and see if I'll sort the bitter leaf this night. Then tomorrow I'll cook, or I will start everything tomorrow and then finish it up tomorrow. We are going for a walk this evening. I know I said I was going to come and cook, show you all this thing, but let me tell you, this kid are on holiday and it's not easy. It's just like the 5th day. Are you seeing that? His shoes. Yeah, we did a couple of activities with them. We did like we made like dog craft, did baking. And yeah, we also did like, just some personal couple of things that we did. And Today is the fourth day of the holiday. Today is Thursday, so this is the fourth day of summer holiday, which is the 26th of the 25th or 26th of July. Yeah, so today that's the day. We're actually heading out. If you check behind me there, I washed some clothes and I took them out actually. When I come back, we'll dry it all together. But for now, we are just going out for a walk. I want us to go around like at least 30-minute walk. We are going to be hanging those clothes that you're seeing when I come back. I'm trying to get the trolley of my son in that small room. The pattern is he already put himself. My little miss is ready for outing. We're just on the main road. We're checking out these berries. These wild berries. This is their season. Oh, are you scared of it? There. Yeah. We still have a long way to go. The road here is not that big. My little man is asleep. Chocolate. See, they are all ripe. Nothing happened. Oh, this is a huge farm. Actually, some people pick this and they make like jam with it. It's very good for jam, but we ate it the other time and then it was not good for our tummy. And see, so I didn't know plum trees are this. I cannot even These are plum trees. Can you see how tall they are? I used to think plum trees are something very, very short. I didn't know that they are very, very tall. Look at how tall it is behind us there. I used to think that plum trees would just be something, you know, like all those short trees, but I didn't know they're this tall. I should have even shown you the bigger ones there, and they're even falling on the floor and all that. They're really tall. We even have walnut tree behind. During winter, all of them will fall, and we picked them last winter, didn't we? And they were so delicious. The fresh ones are like peanut. Walnut here. We're going to Morrison's. I need to get baking soda from Morrison's. Oh God, swim through mashed potatoes. Baking soda we need. This is baking powder. That's baking soda. They have empty shelves. Oh, I think they're working on it here. I love me these waffles. We're back from the store. We're still doing family meeting. What to do for dinner? I bought this thing anyway. You already saw me picking them up. That, then baking soda. Feel off the tap for me. I just want it to be frost. Leave it like that. Don't touch it. I bought this bicarbonate soda. I think I've eaten this before. I bought the salty one, so I didn't like it. But we'll try this one today and see. My kids are waiting for me. They're wondering, like, what kind of mother is this? We did video when we are waiting for our snacks. They're very patient, are you? Yeah, good girl. Well done. Especially my daughter. She's there. I bought this one for waffles and pancakes. Let us try the snack. We actually went for a very long walk. My daughter got tired, didn't you? Yeah. And then we bought, I was going to only buy this, but I now said, let me reward them for walking and walking. Let's buy this ones. It's still chocolate and salt, just the way I tasted before and I didn't like it. I always like to make my pizza at home. I'll just cover this. There's sun over there, so I'm going to Go and put it there. Sauce that I made in the morning here, I'm going to add more sauce to it and just add some chicken breast and make it up like sauce. I'll add a bit of ketchup for the sweetness. I'll give you that pizza kind of taste. Fry or cook or anything. I'm just putting everything at once. Everyone just go in. So I'll add ketchup. Looking so thick. So I'll let it to cook now. Well, I don't have laundry room, so I always hang my clothes in the kitchen. This is how much clothes I have to hang. My battery is low, so I have to shout now. This is how the dough is. It has risen up that much. Just to make it.
After making the pizza.
If there was some peppers there, that's the pizza. It's going on for 19 minutes. I'm going to put it for 25 minutes. Pizza is ready. Look at that. Quality baked. Home pizza. Homemade pizza is the best. So I'm just going to let this to be resting there while I fry up the other things. Yeah, I was about to go out and then I realized that I didn't end this vlog. It just ended where I was making pizza and we had pizza and pizza. Yeah, but yes, that is it for this vlog. It's going to continue in the next vlog. I'm starting another vlog with this same cloth. The next vlog that will be coming on will be me going for my skincare shopping and skincare production. English is not what is made. This is how I'm looking. I'm heading out. I didn't wear the shoe that I'm going out with anyway. I'm heading out and I thought to end this vlog. I'm starting another and the next vlog is going to be the continuation of this one. I'll see you all in the next vlog. It will continue. I'm not going to say bye. See you in the next vlog. We'll end it in the next vlog. Skincare shopping and all that. So we'll end it there. See you all later.